happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we are unboxing and reviewing another smartwatch. This is the MT8 Series 7 smartwatch. Apparently it's got upgraded features with an upgraded HD display, which is really strong. I'll let you know later in the video. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. Anyways, if you don't follow me on social media, I put up a video a few days ago of this MT8. Now apparently this has a upgraded screen, a HD, very strong display that even a hammer can actually cause no damage to it. So if you want to see a hammer test with this MT8, make sure you let me know in this comment section below. And also this has a silent crown button, same as the original as well, as you can tell in the video. So if you want to see more videos of this Series 7 MT8 smartwatch, let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, this is the latest one on the market. And also, if you want to purchase one of these, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. This was sent in by a good friend of mine. You can also follow him on Instagram. All the details will be in the description box below. It costs just under £28. It comes in two different colors. This is a 45mm smartwatch. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. All the full information and purchase link is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Anyways, let's unbox and review it. Just before we take a look at what's inside, let's see what's on the box. As you can see, MT8 smartwatch. That is a QR code to download the app, and the app is Massware. So here is some of the information. It says CPU chip FR5082, case size is 45mm. It has a 1.95 inch full screen HD display. The battery is 380 mAh, memory is 128 MB, and the app, as I told you earlier, is the Massware. So made in China, a few trademarks, and yeah, it contains Alipay, NFC, and a few other features. So yeah, let's unbox and review it and let's see what it's like. So good. I do like what I'm seeing. It's got a nice stainless steel gloss black body. It has one slit for the speaker, and I'm pretty sure it's all working as well. There's not it's not blocked off from the middle. It has got the buttons where you press it to take out the watch bands, which are cool. And like we saw earlier, does this have a silent crown button? So let's have a check. Focusing. Yes, it's really nice and smooth. It's not a clicky one compared to the previous ones. A really nice smooth crown. Can you hear anything? No, because it's silent. You got your mic cut out and your power button right there. And apparently this has a full HD, very strong display. So let's power this on and let's see what it's like. Let's push in the power button. See if that switches it on. If it doesn't, then it's got to be the crown button. So we're pushing the crown button and that brings it on. As you can see, smart technology. And look at that. The animated, does it change? So let's hold the watch face in. Let's see how much watch faces we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, I think, yeah, 33 smartwatches, and these ones are really cool. Check that out, one with the laptop. I like this one, so we'll stick with this one. 32 with it, 32 smartwatches. Wow, really cool. But did you see it's actually got a full 1.9-inch display, which is really cool. Definitely a first on the smartwatches. Swiping it down brings the 4 games. So as you can see, you've got your car game. And I've got to say, the screen is really nice and smooth. But did you hear the crown? It's very silent compared to the other clicks that you get previously. Swiping it down, you got your Angry Birds, where you have to tap it to keep the bird up. As you can see, the more quicker you tap, the quicker it goes up. Oh, did that wrong. You got your aeroplane game, spaceships, which is cool. And look at the sensitivity of the screen, really good. And you've got Sudoku, which is a number. No idea how you play that. Anyway, swiping it to the right brings your split screen. You can turn this on and off, and also have a passcode on this lock screen as well. Swiping it up gives you your shortcuts. You got your Bluetooth call, settings, you got your brightness, 5 seconds. We'll change that to 60 seconds. It also has that always on display. I'll show you that later. You got your silent, vibrate, and loud. You've got your menu interfaces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got your baby's breath, which is a smart one. As you can see, look at that, it's really nice and smooth, this crown. Like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, check out the link in the description box below, and also follow them. You've seen all these before. If you want to see it, then you can check the previous one out. So swiping it to the left, and you can actually add some shortcuts, which is really cool right there. So there about it. So let's go into menu. This is my favorite one. So you got dial. Now they have got quite a few new features and new looks with these as well. So if you're going to dial, that same contact, same call logs, same. You've got to connect it all to your phone messages. Now when you're going to sport mode, check this out. It actually shows you you know, if you want to run, want to walk. So you got pictures there. That is a really new, good feature as well. Pedometer, sleep, that one as well. We've got pictures on there. Heart rate. Let's check the heart rate to see if it actually gives us an actual reading. As you can see, you got your Christmas flashing lights going daft in the back. And does it give us a reading? Let's see, sometimes it might be on timers or anything like that. And as you can see, 61 to 60, well, going less than 59, 58, whatever, 60 beats per minute. So that just goes to show all the health apps are actually fakes. Let's go back into the menu and swiping it down. So heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, they all actually give you wrong readings. Swipe back does work. Bluetooth camera, connect it to your phone. Bluetooth music, connect it to your phone. Find phones, weather, as you can see, drink, as you can see, it's got a new picture there. Stopwatch, calculator, calendar, alarm. Settings we'll check in a minute. Styles, we checked that earlier. About, as you can see, MT8, and gives you information when it was made as well, time and day, and a few other information. You got your brightness, QR code to download the app, Mathware, which will download. You got your reset button, Siri, breath, screen on, so you can put your screen on, always on display. And you got your 4 games, and also you got your social media apps, which you get notifications of from. So let's go into settings. Let's see what else we can do. As you can see, you've got a new layout of settings. Time settings, you can change it. Profiles, do not disturb, vibration only. Brightness, you can change, which you check. Languages, you've only got a few well, you've got quite a few languages, check that out. Sidebar, you can actually switch that on and off, it's up to you. This password, you can put password on it, which has a lock screen, which is good. Night mode, you can switch it on night mode, it just dims the screen. If you switch it on, you can show you what time you want your night mode on. Power saving mode, which is good for your battery. Restore factory settings, which will cancel that off. About, and that is about it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to download the app on my new Vivo V23 Pro. As you can tell, I went from my Allsortzz phone from an iOS to a Android device. I think I've actually got it's got an in-screen built fingerprint, and as you can see, we got Mathware right there. Let's just agree to that. Don't allow, I'm not going to do that. Allow physical activity, yes. Access to your contacts, no. I'm not going to do that. Allowed to make phone calls, yes. we'll do that, and there we have it. So direct login, straight away we're in, and login successful, and you can just screenshot that if you want to use it again, and it gives you a few seconds to screenshot it, determine okay, yeah, please take good care of it. Yes, you can put your own information, and we'll put in Allsortz with a double Z this time. Bluetooth is on. Let's go into the watch, and hopefully it should come up on the app, as you can see. Or do you have to slide it? Or do you have to wait? So as you can see here, MT8, let's click that and press connecting. Hopefully it should connect straight away. And the second one is the audio and call device. So you've got to go into settings. Yes, we'd like to connect that, and you've got to go into settings. Going into settings, as you can see, you have to connect it twice, and this is just for your audio and your calls and everything like that. So it's connected twice. Let's go back into Massware, and as you can see, it's already connected. So all the information gets synced from your smartwatch straight to the app. Your blood oxygen, how long you walk, all your data and everything. The profile. So as you can see here, find device, you can check it out right there. Yes, we found it. Raise to weight, you can switch that on and off. Yeah, it's a vicious vibrate. That additional settings. So you got message reminders, you can switch them on and off from your WhatsApp to your Twitter, your messages. So that is really cool. Let's go back. Additional, what else? Additional settings, idle alert, remote self timer, sleep monitoring, automatic heart rate measurement, power saving mode, and quite a few, as you can see right there. Going back is your dials, which you can actually put a custom dial on. I've got no pictures on this phone, so I will actually add some more. It gives you the information of the battery as well. Skin switching, you've got theme 1 and theme 2, phone book, and about, as you can see right there. So you can put your own information on the app as well, your weight, your height, and everything like that, and all the data gets synced from the smartwatch to your phone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to make a quick phone call. So as you can see here, it's coming up with the number, not the name. So there we have it. It's on silent anyway, so that's why you can't hear anything. One thing I need to check is you can actually charge it on any of your MagSafe devices or your wireless chargers. So as you can see here, I've got Joy Room's MagSafe charger. Now let's put it down and let's see if it actually charges. Yes, it does. Look at that. So it actually charges on your wireless devices, even your MagSafe chargers, which is really, really good. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the MT8 Series 7 smartwatch. What do you think? I actually prefer it. This is probably one of the best smartwatches I've used in 2022. Full screen, NFC, 4 games, a really strong display. So if you want to see a hammer test, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make that for you. Yeah, it's even got buttons for the strap as well, but overall, what a decent smartwatch. If you want to purchase it, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. If you want to see any other videos, do let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.